Hello, my name is Sam and welcome to BrainTech. In this video, I will show you how to reply with Reels on Instagram comments. In this tutorial, I will be reading a step-by-step process so you will be able to be guided when you are going to implement. In here, for the first step, tap reply below the comment you want to reply to, then tap the camera icon on the left. In here, record your reel, or tap the icon in the bottom left to select a video from your gallery or camera roll. You can also tap green screen in the top right to record a reel with a different background. Step 3. Tap the comment sticker to change the background color or tap and hold it to move it. Step 4. Tap next at the bottom and edit your reel. Step 5. Tap next in the bottom right, then tap share. Now the person who posted the comment will receive a notification that you have replied to them. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.